Hi friends, in this video we will discuss how to configure multi-level IVR in UC501. So as you can see, this is the call flow of the IVR. So in this, if anybody makes a call to your pilot number, a welcome IVR message will be played, and after pressing the key 1, 2, 3, 4, any of the call will route to the ring group. So let's get started. So our first step is to upload the voice prompt. So click on voice prompt, then system prompts, then click on upload. So you can see these are the parameters for the voice file uploading. Now click on browse and follow the steps. So I have uploaded 3 voice prompts. Now click on apply and changes. You can see these are the voice prompt files. So our next step is to create the IVR profile. So click on add, then you need to give the name of the IVR, then select the voice prompt, and then the response timeout will be 3 seconds. So now click on save and don't forget to click on apply changes. So now we will create announcements. So in this, when the call is unanswered, it will be played that all extensions are busy. So I have created a profile which is extension busy. So I have picked up a voice prompt file, and the destination will be your IVR. So it means when the call is unanswered, it will route the call again to the first IVR profile. So it will act as a loop. So our next step is to create ring groups. We will create 4 ring groups. First one is technical support, second one is sales, third one is accounts, and fourth one is query. So please follow my steps. So as you can see, I've created 4 ring groups, and the destination for every ring group is their extensions. Like for example, in technical team there are 2 extensions, in sales there are 2 extensions, so on. So now we will create rest of the announcement profiles also. So here we have to create 4 more announcement profiles, because we have 4 departments, so we need to create 4 announcements. So as you can see, I have created 4 announcement profiles, which is call wait 1, call wait 2, call wait 3 and call wait 4. So all the call will route to the ring groups and the dedicated announcement profile will be played accordingly. So now we have to set the key press events in IVR. Click on IVR and then click on key press event. So now we will set the announcement profiles one by one. Like in this, if someone presses 1, it will route the call to the call wait 1 announcement profile and so on. Click on save and click on apply changes. So now we need to set the destination in inbound call routes. So click on inbound routes. As you can see, I have already created an inbound route. I just need to set the destination for the incoming calls. So here you can choose the IVR, then welcome 1, which is the level 1 IVR file. Now click on apply changes. Now every call will land on this IVR profile. So now let's test a call.
Hi, welcome to Acom Technologies. For technical support, press 1. For sales team, press 2. For accounts, press 3. For any other query, press 4. Please wait while we connect your call. Hi, welcome to Acom Technologies. For technical support, press 1. For sales team, press 2. For accounts, press 3. For any other query, press 4. Please wait while we connect your call. All extensions are busy right now. Hi, welcome to Acom Technologies. For technical support, press 1. For sales team, press 2. For accounts, press 3. For any other query, press 4. Please wait while we connect your call.
As you can see, it is working fine now.
All extensions are busy right now.
So friends, I hope you like this video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and like, comment and share. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.